Now adding 1 and 2. Now 1 plus 2. For implies we get L by SP plus L by S cube equals to 1 minus E cos theta plus 1 plus E cos theta. Now minus E cos theta plus E cos theta cancel. L is taken common. We get 1 by SP plus 1 by S cube equals to 1 plus 1 2. Therefore 1 by SP plus 1 by S cube equals to 2 by L. Now PSQ is a focal chord of the conic where S is the focus, then 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ equals to 2 by L, where L is the length of the semi-latus rectum. Another example, if PP dash and QQ dash are two perpendicular focal chords of the conic, where S is the focus, then 1 by SP into 1 by SP dash plus 1 by SQ into 1 by SQ dash equals to constant. Show that 1 by SP into 1 by SP dash plus 1 by SQ into 1 by SQ dash equals to constant. Now conic. S is the focus. Now given PP dash is one focal chord. PP dash is one focal chord. Next QQ dash is also focal chord, but it is perpendicular to PP dash. It is perpendicular to PP dash. QQ dash are two perpendicular focal chords. Now show that 1 by SP into 1 by SP dash plus 1 by SQ into 1 by SQ dash equals to constant. Now let the equation of the conic L by R equals to 1 minus E cos theta. L by R equals to 1 minus E cos theta. And consider the coordinates of the point P. First SP makes an angle theta with polar axis consider. Then the polar coordinates of the point P, SP comma theta. SP comma theta. Now SP and SQ are perpendicular to each other. Then the polar coordinates of the point Q, SQ comma pi by 2 plus theta. SQ comma pi by 2 plus theta. Similarly, the coordinates of the point P dash, SP dash comma pi plus theta. The coordinates of the point Q dash, SQ dash comma 3 pi by 2 plus theta. 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Now the point P lies on the conic, then L by SP equals to 1 minus E cos theta. It is considered equation 1. Next to the point Q, SQ comma pi by 2 plus theta is also lies on the conic, then L by SQ equals to 1 minus E cos pi by 2 plus theta. or for implies L by SQ equals to 1 minus E into cos 90 plus theta equals to minus sin theta. Minus of minus plus is sin theta. It is considered second equation. Next, the point P dash is also lies on the conic, then L by SP dash equals to 1 minus E cos pi plus theta. 1 minus E cos pi plus theta. Now for implies we get L by SP dash equals to 1 cos pi plus theta equals to minus cos theta minus of minus plus E cos theta. It is considered third. Next to the fourth point Q dash is SQ dash comma 3 pi by 2 plus theta. It is also lies on the conic, then L by SQ dash equals to 1 minus E cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta. For implies L by SQ dash equals to 1 minus E sin theta. It is fourth equation. Now 1 into 3 plus 2 into 4. We get L by SP into L by SP dash plus L by SQ into L by SQ dash equals to, but L by SP equals to 1 minus E cos theta. L by SP dash equals to 1 plus E cos theta. Now 1 minus E cos theta into 1 plus E cos theta equals to 1 minus E square cos square theta plus L by SQ into L by SQ dash. But L by SQ equals to 1 plus E cos theta. L by SQ dash equals to 1 minus E cos theta. Their product equals to 1 minus E square sin square theta. Now L square common, 1 by SP into 1 by SP dash plus 1 by SQ into 1 by SQ dash equals to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 2 minus E square. Therefore, L by SP into SP dash plus 1 by SQ into SQ dash equals to 2 minus E square by L square. 2 minus E square by L square. In any conic, eccentricity is constant and length of the semi-lattice rectum L is also constant. Then 2 minus E square by L square is also constant. Therefore, 1 by SP into SP dash plus 1 by SQ into SQ dash equals to constant. Example, if PP dash and QQ dash are two perpendicular focal chords. Focal chords of the conic, then show that 1 by PP dash plus 1 by QQ dash equals to constant. Now, first the conic. Consider S is the focus, polar axis. PSP dash is one focal chord. Another focal chord QQ dash is perpendicular to PP dash. QQ dash and PP dash are perpendicular focal chords. Required 1 by PP dash plus 1 by QQ dash equals to constant. Now, first Let the equation of the conic. Is L by R equals to 1 minus E cos theta. L by R equals to 1 minus E cos theta. And SP makes an angle theta with polar axis consider. Then the coordinates of the point P, SP comma theta. The polar coordinates of the point P, SP comma theta. P, P dash, Q, Q dash are perpendicular to each other. Then the coordinates of the point Q, SQ comma pi by 2 plus theta. SQ comma pi by 2 plus theta. Similarly, the coordinates of the point P dash, SP dash comma pi plus theta. The coordinates of the point Q dash, SQ dash comma 3 pi by 2 plus theta. 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Now, the point P, SP comma theta lies on the conic L by R equals to 1 minus E cos theta. Then L by R equals to 1 minus E cos theta. Here the value of R equals to SP. L by SP equals to 1 minus E cos theta. It is considered equation 1. The point Q also lies on the conic. Then substitute the coordinates of the point Q, SQ comma pi by 2 plus theta. Then we get L by SQ equals to 1 minus E cos pi by 2 plus theta. But cos pi by 2 plus theta equals to minus sin theta. We get L by SQ equals to 1 plus E sin theta. It is second equation. Similarly, the point P dash lies on the conic. Then L by SP dash equals to 1 minus E cos pi plus theta. Cos pi plus theta equals to minus sin theta minus cos theta. Then we get L by SP